What we're going to do is show how to use a manual chainsaw, and more importantly, how to get it unstuck when it gets stuck. So let's first of all, what you have to do is throw it's called a throw bag, up over the branch, and we use the rope from that to haul the rope chainsaw up. I think I'm going to have trouble because it's up so high. What we could do is get a step ladder out. That would get us 8 feet higher, but what I'm going to do is go up on the roof and throw it from there. But not even close. Let's see. Try it this way. Closer. Okay, when I threw the throw bag up there the first time, it wrapped around the branch and stuck. So I cut the cord and I'm using a second throw bag. I got it up there. Now what we have to do is use the end of the rope to haul the chainsaw out there. Here goes the chainsaw up. Hope we can get it perfectly around the branch. And make sure it's just not twisted here. Yeah, it's got twisted. A couple twists. Okay. Let's get it untangled. Okay, we've got the 48-inch chain attached to the throw cord. I'm going to get it up there and see if I can drape it over the tree evenly without any problems. So we have the blade up evenly over the branch, and the thing to do is don't try to saw it yourself, one person, because you can't get your arms far enough apart to get a good angle, and the blade will cut the side of the branch, not just the top, and then you run the risk of it jamming, getting pinched by the branch if it moves, and then it's difficult to get off. I had that happen yesterday with a branch. What I had to do, I threw another rope up there and tried to pull it down and it wouldn't go. So I got up on the roof and got a long stick and put it underneath the blade, and luckily I was able to lift it out of the cut and start over. What I'm going to do now, I think I got my assistant over there, also known as my wife, and I think to get a good angle here so it's not cutting downward on the side of the branch, I'm going to get up on the roof and do my cutting. We'll pull it back and forth, maybe a foot either way, and then another thing to watch out for is you don't pull it so far that you pull the blade off the branch, because then the rope with a knot in it will stick in the groove, and once again it's just as bad as the blade being pinched. So we got to just pull it maybe a foot each way until the branch comes down. So you want to step back and if it comes down. Also, I'm going to put this board here up on the edge of the roof, on the eave, because I think that's a fragile point. I might say if a branch comes down between the rafters, it might do some damage, so I'm going to put this across on the edge of the roof so it'll distribute the impact over maybe 3 rafters. So we'll go up there and do that. I'm going to get the fence, I think, but I can do. Sawdust coming down. Yeah, I see the sawdust myself now. It's kind of good. Uh-oh, what's jamming here? Is it getting uneven, or no? It's halfway each side, right? something else that we should probably add to this video is, you might be wondering, how do you prevent the chain from turning on its side when you pull it up over the branch? It just doesn't seem to do that. I've cut down 5 branches maybe in the past few days, and each time, the first time we tried to pull a blade over the branch, it oriented properly. It might be because of the way the rope is attached to the chain. It kind of makes it orient properly, but we haven't had any problem with it turning on its side. Another thing that might help too is if you can show a close-up of the blade here. It's got cutting blades on the top and the bottom of the chain, so it can go either that way or that way and still cut the branch. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it's been helpful.